Hello everyone, this is Mizan from Dorik. In this video, I'm going to show our new feature, Global Colors. It's a really useful feature. We have released it a few days ago, and it's gonna help us to change the color of entire website very easily from now. So let's dive into it. Right now, I'm in our website builder, so I'm gonna add some element to test the feature. So I just added one heading and text and button. Okay, so global colors is inside the global styles. So we need to go to global styles and we have replaced the saved color with global colors. So we are gonna add three or two or three colors. So I'm gonna add one red and another, let's say blue, and one more color. Let's add one more green. Okay, so we have added three colors and we can use those color throughout the website and in any pages any page we want. So I'm gonna use here. I'm gonna use from title style. You can see the globe icon here. You can click here and I'm gonna make it red, and I'm gonna make the color green, text color green, and I'm gonna change the button background to blue. So you can see the basic section with three element with three different colors. Through all of the colors are from global colors. So I'm gonna just duplicate this section. You see, there is like one, two, three, four. So one, two, three, four section right now with four headings. Now I want to change the color of my heading. Before global colors, we had to go to like each element and go to the title style and then change the color. But right now we can change it from global styles. Let's say we want to change the red color. We can click on global style, global colors, and here I want to make it uh, pink or something like that, purple or pink. So I can just make it like this, and you can see all the headings are changed. Same for buttons on anything, any color, anywhere you use the color. So we decided to change our button color. We want our buttons to be orange or something like that. So here it is. I'm gonna make it something like orange or brown. Yeah, so you see all the buttons are changed. So this is gonna help a lot if you use same elements multiple time in a website, then you decided to change the color, you can do it. So I'm gonna show another example in our template. Let's see. Here is our template, and I have already changed the background and other colors to the global colors. So main color of this template is purple. You can see bluish purple, and so and now I'm gonna change the color of entire template. So come to the global style, global colors. This is that I want to make it uh, let's say green, or maybe I want to make it red. So here it is. I made it red. Now you can see all the icons are red. Yeah, these are images. Illustration are images, so image color won't be changed. We have to change the image color manually. Logo is in image too. So, but icon, text, and button, everything where we used the purple global color, it's all changed to the red. So now you can we are going to add this global color in all templates. So if you want to change any color of any template, now you can do just with few clicks. Come to global style, global color, and change from here. And we are going to update the templates soon, so you can use them. And If you have any question about this feature or any feedback, please let us know. And thank you so much for using Dorik.